Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error, that is Microsoft Excel cannot find this. So to fix it, the first step is to repair Office. Now to repair Office, first of all you can close Excel and then type in control panel in Windows search box and then go to control panel. Now click on uninstall a program. Now find Microsoft Office in the list. Now once you find Microsoft Office, you can make a right click and then click on change, click on yes to allow, and here you can see quick repair option. So select quick repair and then click on repair, and once the repair is done you can check. Still not working, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall 32-bit version of Office 365. Now you can go to control panel, this time make a right click, then click on uninstall, click on yes, and then click on uninstall. Now once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can go to account.microsoft.com and then log into your Microsoft account which has the Office. Now once you're logged in, now go to services and subscription, and then once you click on services and subscription, on the right hand side you will see your subscription for Office 365. Now over here you will see an option which says install premium Microsoft 365. So you will see the install option, so hit install, click on it. Now once you click on install you will see this pop-up, and here you can select a language, and from the drop down option you have to select Microsoft 365 32-bit. so select 32-bit and then click on install, and after the installation you can check. You should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.